Hello, this is Brainfield. Welcome to another episode of exciting content. In this video, we will be sharing with you 10 mind tricks to learn anything faster. With the rise of the internet and the growth of digital publishing, there is an abundance of knowledge and there is a lot to learn. Warren Buffett was asked what superpower he would like to be granted. His response was, "I'd like to have the ability to learn faster." The faster you learn, the more successful you can be. What if we tell you that there are tricks to learn anything faster? Before we go on, if you are just joining us, hit the subscribe button to always get more videos like this one. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. Use the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 principle is also referred to as the Pareto Principle, and it was coined by the Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto. Vilfredo had observed how 80% of our results often come from just 20% of our efforts. This is evident in different areas of life. Just 20% of the meal you eat supplies 80% of the nutrients your body needs. Also, 20% of the world controls 80% of the resources. As regards learning faster, the principle is very useful. It is a shortcut to mastery and will help you learn faster. How? Well, it's very straightforward. If you have access to the source of knowledge, go straight to the source. Meet the one who has already mastered the skill or has the knowledge. Rather than trying to learn everything there is to know about something, focus on learning only what you need to know to get to that point. 80% of the right decisions you will make in your life, business, career, or field of expertise, will come from 20% of the knowledge you have. How is this a hack? For example, if you want to learn a new language, start by cutting out 80% of the words you won't be needing. Because 80% of communication is based on just 20% of the total vocabulary of that language. Finding the 20% of a subject in learning makes you learn faster and more effectively. With this principle, you will eventually learn more with less effort. Please let us know in the comment section below. We will love to learn from you, too. Do well to share this knowledge to your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful. If you are new here, we will love to see you next time. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop our next videos, and subscribe to this channel as we promise to bring you new and amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!